During his biennial state budget address last week, Governor Tony Evers announced a plan to try and lower costs for working families.
I want us to work together to pass my proposal to support students and workers in our service industries by letting them keep the tips they earn tax-free. Let's eliminate taxes on cash tips.
Eliminating taxes on tips isn't an idea just the governor is entertaining. President Trump touted it throughout his campaign.
We're going to dramatically cut taxes for families and for workers and for companies, including no tax on tips.
No tax on cash tips would mean more money in the pockets of servers. Restaurants in northeast Wisconsin like Kroll's West say it's about time.
I think it should have happened years and years and years ago. This has been an eyesore for a long time.
Owner Mike Ware says the restaurant industry is the only one that claims tips, which isn't fair, especially since the federal minimum wage for servers is around $5 an hour. Ware believes the untaxed cash tips will better help his workers make ends meet.
Anytime anybody hears they don't have to pay a tax on something, you see a smile. Then added to that smile is maybe they can pick up that extra item that they need or their child needs.
If Evers' proposal goes through, hourly pay won't be impacted at Kroll's, but Ware says it'll make running a business simpler, less records to keep, and less to report.
While Kroll's West is excited for the proposal, Copper State Brewing is staying cautiously optimistic, but they hope it will benefit servers in the long run.
I think if you work in this business, I don't feel like anybody would be opposed to it. I also kind of wonder how that would all be structured. There's a lot of things that I think are question marks as to the final bill.
Carlson wonders whether or not the proposal would impact wages or even customers' tipping habits. But he says if cash tips are no longer taxed, it would give an extra boost for those struggling and would like to see it pass sooner rather than later.
I hope it happens before I retire, that's all.
In Greenbay, Tony Langfellow, Fox 11 News.